Throughout this video, we'll walk you through all Swvl business tools. A simple, intuitive interface pulls together all the relevant information that you would need to provide your employees with the best possible work commute experience. Everything starts when you set up your business account and sign up to your own Swvl business dashboard. As a first-time user of the dashboard, you would notice the 4 key modules on your navigation bar. Let's begin with the Employee module. This module allows you to onboard and manage all your employees that would be eligible for Swvl's transportation services. Click on Add Employee when you need to quickly add a few employees, or use the bulk upload feature to add all the employees using the template provided. Some of the important information the tool will need to successfully configure the system are listed here. You can also view this information when you add a single employee. As and when new employees are added, an automated SMS is sent to them informing them that they have been added to Swvl's transportation services along with a link to download the app. After the employee downloads the app, now it's time to sign up and add the exact location of their home addresses, which will be reflected back to the dashboard. Now that we have all the employees of your organization on the dashboard, let's set up all the shifts that your organization operates from the Shift module. Click on Add New Shift to create a new shift. A shift includes a range of dates, a direction which indicates whether the shift covers a to-office commute or a from-office commute. Shift time indicating when the employee needs to get to work or leave from work. The days of the week that the shift applies to. And finally, the office location that this shift will cater to. So let's go ahead and create the shift. You'll notice that all the shifts that have been created can be viewed in the shifts listing page, where other actions like activation, deactivation, and deletion of shifts can take place. Now, we can assign employees to the shifts that are relevant to them. Let's head back to the Employees module. The checkbox next to each employee's name can be selected to enable the shift assignment feature. Once you've selected the employees you'd like to assign to the shifts, you can click on the Assign to Shift button right above the employee listing. This opens up a shift assignment page where you can select all the relevant shifts to which you would like to tag the employees you just selected. Click on Done to confirm the assignment. Once all shifts are created and all employees are assigned, employees would still have the option to reserve their shifts depending on the organization's requirements, which can be enabled or disabled based on request. Now that you provided all the needed information, what's missing is to create those routes and schedules, taking into consideration all the constraints and requirements that your organization requires. This will run through our AI-based network optimization engine, which we call Swvl Route Optimization Engine. Through Swvl Route Optimization Engine, you'll get all the support your organization needs to manage and optimize your operations efficiently. Based on your inputs on the Swvl Business Dashboard, everything provided will automatically reflect on the Rider Details module. The number of employees added plus their unique home locations. We call this the demand map. You'll get an overview of all different locations where your employees will be commuting to work from. After confirming all rider details, we move on to configuring your organization's fleet requirements in the Fleet Details module. The tool gives you the option to customize your existing fleet or the Swvl provided fleet. Once you add all fleet information, we move to the Optimization module. Here, the tool provides you with different optimization scenarios to customize based on your requirements. Balanced for time, balanced for cost, or low travel time. You can also add specific constraints, such as distance, travel time, and utilization constraints. After settling on your optimization preferences, Swvl Route Optimization Engine starts to optimize. Now you get an overview of all the scenarios you chose. You get to see all details for each scenario to compare and choose the most optimal one for your organization. You get to see your network with a bird's eye view, along with all the network performance metrics like cost, average distance, average duration, average utilization, number of vehicles, and more. In addition to that, you will be able to check all details on a route level by looking into each route's arrival and departure times, the number of riders and all stations in any given route, and even look at the network at its most granular level, the proximity of each employee from their respective pickup stations. The whole network can also be viewed as a timeline through the schedule view, giving you another perspective of how your overall network would look on a daily operation level. Now that we have a ready optimized network, all rides will reflect automatically to your Swvl Business Dashboard, Rider app, and Captain app. After routes are dispatched, the captain can see his assigned rides, confirm or decline rides, check in riders, and get help from the captain's support before or during the ride. Next, you can move into the ride monitoring module on the business dashboard to view all of these rides that have been configured based on the inputs provided by you to the system. Live monitoring of the rides, employee status, and captain information are a few details that you can get from this module. At the same time, riders would have in-app features to use while the rides are active, like information about each ride, vehicle type, captain's information, timings, and the ability to chat with the rider's support in case of any incident. Finally, we have the dashboard module, which provides you with analytics around ride experience, fulfillment, and reliability metrics. The dashboard is configurable and can be set up with metrics that are key to monitor for your organization.